Welcome to Tech Leveler. My name's Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to fix your Epson printer when the printout has lines running through it. So what should you do? The first thing I always recommend is to run a nozzle check, and you do this on the XP 4000, XP 4100 and the XP 4200 in the exact same way. So let's open up our Epson printer here on the screen, come along until you see maintenance here, press OK. Then you want to select print head nozzle check, press OK. It'll say load your piece of paper in. Once you have, we already have, you can press OK. Let's pull out the drawer here. It's normally relatively quick to do this. You may have seen that going past the screen then. Mine's absolutely fine, apart from the black there slightly, if you can see that. So what does it say? So it says check the printer pattern and select the closer result. So if yours is on the left here and it has lines running through it, you'd come to the X here and select OK. So I'll do that just for the purposes of this video. It'll say select the pattern that looks most similar to the printer pattern and perform the instruction left pattern, cleaning, right pattern, power cleaning. So we go down, you can see, so it says this is just cleaning and this will give it a power cleaning. Let's just give it a simple cleaning. So press OK on cleaning, and it'll say cleaning starts, and then the nozzle check pattern is printed. Load A4 size plain paper into the rear paper feeder. We already have, and then we want to press OK to start it. And then it'll run through a cleaning cycle. As you can see here, it says it should take about 3 minutes. It's normally pretty loud. And then it'll print out a new nozzle check and see if them lines have gone. So that should fix your Epson printer if the printout has lines running through it.